testing them, case and switches. Oh, you have to install the switches. I'm used to installing switches. I know how to install switches, so I'll just install them right now. Oh my god, I got it. Okay. There you go. Just one switch down. Oh wait, I had a plate for this. I mean, I'm fine with. I'll grab the plate right now. Wait, I completely forgot I had a plate. I need to desolder that. Hold on. Okay, wait, this is sick. I found my OLEDs. So, hello. I found the OLEDs. Well, I'm gonna try see if I can use these. Okay. Let's see, can I just snap these off? Wait. I don't think so. Yes, sir. Oh, I flashed both of my Pro Micros. I installed the diodes for the right side. Sorry. I accidentally installed a switch, and I forgot that I had a plate. So. Oh, I installed the Pro Micro too. Now I'm uninstalling the switch. Just. Okay. Well, I've gotten it out. Took quite a bit. Let me go back up to the soldering the OLED part. Insulating tape. Okay, that's still on. That's good. So what do I do? Just pop them in. I mean, it's in, but like, not fully, so not really satisfied. How can I heat all of them at the same time? It's so weird. I think that's the biggest brain idea. Nah, it's not gonna work. Is it? Wait, it's not gonna be seen here, but like, I'm trying to heat each pin up so it'll allow me to press this down. Let me clean these up too. Let me see. Can I do something? Wait, no. Okay. Yeah, I'm using a desoldering gun because I found it easier because like it's really easy to control the heat compared to a soldering iron. Oh, desoldering gun? No, this is a soldering gun, not a desoldering gun. I have the desoldering one right here. It's a different type of pump. So it's an actual like vacuum. You press this and it'll just suck it up. It's not connected right now because this will heat up. But yeah, it's really cool too. I like this. I'm just not sure if this is gonna work. This OLED. I'm trying to force it in, but it's not going in. I didn't heat it up enough. That's the thing. Is it going in? No, it's not going in. I'm not gonna force it any harder. If it's just gonna stay there, I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, wow. Oh wait, let me actually put some solder on it. Oops. Snapped off a bit. No, I didn't actually. Wait. I will solder some of this on. You know, I mean, it's not fully installed, but at least it's there, you know what I'm saying? It's better than nothing. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Okay. Now it's time to put on a plate and then install the switches. Where's the switch? There you go. Wait, I'm gonna actually use brand new switches because I think it'll make it easier. I'll just install the brand new switches on each corner. That'll probably help. Oh, that one's this way. Okay. Just pop it in. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Well, boom. Switches are in. Now I can finally use the other switches, the used ones. Okay. Okay, that's one. Oh, these are clean. Oh yeah, I used the desoldering thing. Pump for this, so it's really clean. Came out pretty clean. What the heck? Okay, well, that's in. Oops, I want to use the old ones first. That's a little too badly bruised up. Haha. Okay. That's the first row. Alright. I'll only use. Actually, I won't even use those until I get. Until I run out of switches from here. Because even the switches that aren't like that good, I'm pretty sure I can still use them. I can probably use them, yeah. Ooh. These aren't actually in bad shape, these switches. There you go. Put that away. Let's see. What's this? This is like bent. How can you even bend a pin that way? Well, the more you know. One more. Perfect. There you go. Now I'm gonna solder these all on. Let's go. I'm gonna be generous with the amount I'm using. Gonna go from left to right. There you go. Keeps going. So this is just like soldering regular switches. You just solder the pins, touch it, solder, cover up the switch. Don't put too much so it doesn't form like a ball. And you're pretty much good. Boom, more. More. It's more. You can use more. There you go. Okay, I'm on the last row. I mean, it seems like it's going well so far. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna plug this in yet until I finish the other side. I'm too scared to plug it in. Okay, boom. We're pretty much done with one side. That was quite fast. That actually took an hour, wow. I think that was pretty fast. How nice that is. Wait, actually I kinda wanna plug it in. Let me open Via. Okay, well. Let's plug it in, I guess. Boom. Please work. Key tester. I don't think it works yet. I don't know. Does it detect this as the device though? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do yet.